change admin password in Windows 7. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Run and type, as shown on screen, compmgmt.msc, and press on Enter or OK. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Local Users and Group, and then click on Users. You'll find Administrator. Right-click on Administrator and you'll find Set Password option. Click on Set Password, and from there you can simply add your password. Add one password, then to confirm it, again add another. Both passwords should be same. Simply click on OK and you're good to go. That's how you change admin password in Windows 7. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.